Hello. So this is day 6, I think. And things are not going well. My mindset is completely off. I think I've reversed it now. I just came back from the career partner business and I was basically silent the whole night. I did some talking, but with myself. I'm my own self's best friend. The radio was off. I looked some uh, masculine videos that I'm watching right now, and I've starting to realize that everything is everything that's regarding my situation, trading, financial wise, finances, everything, relationships, everything's up here. When I fix this, I fix my life. So rather than whining and complaining about not liking my job very much and wanting to quit, I need to understand that at least I have a job. I get to go to work right now that pays my bills, and I get to do the extra career partner business that funds my business and funds my life. I get to. I have the opportunity. I get to learn how to trade Forex. I, I, I get to drop off my kids at the daycare. There's a quote that stuck with me when I'm watching these motivational kind of videos. Let's say that uh, that I'm living somebody's dream life actually right now. There are a lot of people who are worse off than me, so I have nothing to complain about. One guy I've started to watch is this guy. I recommend him. He's a pretty solid dude. I like his videos, and yeah, go check him out because I can only speak for men, but for me, I need to get my masculinity back, and that ties in with everything. Discipline, patience, masculinity, being content, everything, being grateful. Finding purpose and vision, all that, and when I fix me, I can fix this. I can fix this because I know I can do this. It's not my strategy that's not working because I've proved it many times to myself that my strategy works. I can do this. It's up here that messes things up because this today's losses were I shouldn't have taken a 3% risk on Euro USD, and the Euro AUD loss was purely spreads, market conditions. These losses here were completely they they are complete. They would have been completely avoidable. These losses could have been avoided, and there were some trades that I didn't take because I was already too exposed to the market. Um, so yeah, Euro USD closed in one hell of a loss. That's because I was too exposed, and a lot of USD news hit today, and this happened. So either way, I would have been screwed. um, and I actually anticipated this. So that proves that I have a sense of what might happen in the market. So something extremely fishy is going on in the markets right now. USD and USD CHF and Euro CHF had massive movements while Euro USD is sitting still doing nothing. So obviously they were it's in a weekly daily zone here, break and retest. They were accumulating orders, you know, and then they were accumulating orders, staying still, and then wiping out orders on both sides. That's the smart money. And it's painful to say, but there's a big probability that I'm going to get stopped out by a massive stop hunt. And a massive stop hunt took place. Look at AUD USD. Like, what the hell, right? So, and Euro AUD should have, closed in take profit, but I didn't see what happened. The only explanation I got is that spreads went too wide momentarily, and then it closed somewhere around here. It didn't even close at my stop loss because my stop loss was somewhere here. So the only explanation I got, if my forex funds didn't manipulate with my account, is that spreads went went wide for a second, triggered my stop loss, and then when the order finally went through, the spreads were tight again, and then it closed here. Because on Euro USD, my stop wasn't that high. I mean, there was a big stop loss, but the losses that I should have had with my stop loss uh, should have been. So this should have been a $100 loss, and this should have been a $200 loss. Except I got an extra $100 loss. So that's the only explanation I got, is that the stop loss got triggered. The order went by the time the others went through and closed, the price had already moved more into drawdown. So, but yes, I'm in a huge hole. I'm in a huge drawdown. I lost I think it was like $50. 50. What I'm trying to say is, I was $50 short from reaching my maximum drawdown limit for the day. So today was a pretty bad day, trading wise, but I'm actually pretty okay with it because I knew it would happen probably. When has it ever worked out for me that I'm in a huge position and then it magically just happens, right? Doesn't happen like that. Steady, slow, steady growth is what works, in my opinion. So I'm probably gonna do a video, hopefully soon, hopefully this weekend, where I'm gonna take the TradingView subscription, so I can replay at a 1 hour chart, and then I can backtest my strategy because I know it works. I've tested it over a long period of time, but it would be good to see fast replay kind of action how much put chart in a random place, and then just test it out. I've never done this. I've always wanted to do it. I know my strategy works, so it shouldn't be a problem. Showing you guys and showing myself actually as well, because maybe that will take the edge off of trading, kind of showing myself that it actually works. So be patient, and yeah, and I'm actually proud of myself how calm I stayed uh, during the losses, seeing how much I lost actually, and I managed to stay calm, cool, and collected, mostly. But still, yeah, I'm not done. I know I'm in a deep hole, but I've traded $300 in one day before. So best case scenario, 2 days I'm out of drawdown. So why not? Let's try it. I'm just gonna do one-to-one trades again. I deviated from my trading too much again, and it shows, right? The losses have piled up because fun fact: all the trades I've called out with this new account, let's say, well, not all of them, but most of them. Uh, so uh, after the EuroCAD stopped out, the Euro GBP buy that I took here, that would have closed in take profit today. So I saw a trade from here. Actually, would have closed. The trade I took initially would have closed in take profit like at the same day, I think. So basically 1-to-1. So okay, let's say it would have closed here. So the second trade I took was from here, and this trade would have closed in take profit today, or sorry, yesterday. Yesterday was the 11th. Okay, 2 days ago this would have closed in take profit. Uh, so this would have closed in take profit. Looking at two setups, actually three: AUD USD, break and retest, right? AUD USD, what did it do? Broke, and broke the retest, broke the resistance, came back to retest, and then shut up, right? So this worked out that I called out NGDJPY. Price was over here. I anticipated price to move up a bit and then go down. What did it do? Boom! This is the same arrow that was there. So price moved up a bit and then went down. Uh, USD CAD. Well, USD CAD didn't actually work out. Would it went up significantly, but still it went it went up. Okay, so this didn't work out. So took an NZD JPY and USD JPY. It wasn't USD JPY, it was a CAD JPY sell. So So I took this. I took the cells. It was CAT JPY and NGD JPY or AUD JPY, and I placed my stop losses too tight, like intentionally, because I was angry. The stop losses were like really tight. So had I placed my stop losses uh, the way I usually do, so actually CAT JPY was good. I think there was something like, so this would have been here. This was there, I think. So this would have closed in take profit today, right? It would have ranged a lot. I don't think I don't know if I would have closed it or not. Let's say I would not have. So this would have closed in take profit today. AUD JPY I took from somewhere around here. My stop was like this, right? But the direction was right. Had I placed it like this, it would have closed in take profit today. Same on NGD JPY got stopped out really tight. I think I took the trade for somewhere, whatever, right here somewhere. My stop was here. It just grazed my stop, and then it, went down. Had I placed my stop loss like this, it would have closed and take profit. And yeah, and the only loser I would have had would have been the Euro USD one, and the Euro AUD would have closed and take profit. I mean, at some point today, this is how my yesterday. So at some point, this is how my terminal looked. I was almost out of drawdown. Like, damn, 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 damn. But I'm. This is all my fault. I take full responsibility. Nobody's behind the computer trading my account than me. So, extremely stupid trades that I took. Extremely stupid trade I took on Euro USD, which resulted in a huge loss. And I'm gonna go to bed now. So let's up. I'm not gonna upgrade at the very moment, but $15 a month. I'm gonna take this for 1 month, and I'm gonna do the uh, backtesting video, bar replay on intraday trade bars. Okay. Pro is all, right? So $15 a month. At that is enough for me. Okay, so I'm gonna end it in here and see you in the next video. Bye, guys. Trade safe.